giving your best shot, understanding, run for one's money. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard but might not fully understand. Run for one's money. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you use it confidently in your conversations. At its core, run for one's money is a phrase that speaks to competition and effort. It means giving someone a challenging competition or making them work hard to maintain their status or position. Originally linked to horse racing, where bettors wanted their horse to give them a good run for the money they wagered, it has since transcended into broader usage. Understanding how to use this phrase is crucial. It's often used in scenarios where competition and effort are highlighted. Here are a few contexts. Sports and games, when two teams are evenly matched, and the outcome is uncertain. Business, in competitive market scenarios where companies strive to outperform each other. Personal achievement, when someone works hard to achieve a goal and faces challenges along the way. In sentences, it might look like this. The underdog team really gave the champions a run for their money. This new startup is giving the established tech giants a run for their money. Let's contextualize run for one's money with examples to see how it fits into everyday conversations. 1. Encouragement. You've been improving a lot. I think you're going to give your competitors a run for their money in the next tournament. 2. Observation. Wow, this new coffee shop is giving the other cafes a run for their money with its unique flavors. 3. Reflection. That exam really gave me a run for my money. I had to study hard to keep up. Run for one's money is more than just a phrase about competition. It's about effort, challenge, and the spirit of giving your best. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more comfortable using run for one's money in your own conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.